Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Google Cloud SQL login problems, project access errors step by step. Start by checking your project access settings in the Google Cloud console. Navigate to the IAM and admin section. Ensure that your user account has sufficient permissions for Cloud SQL. Verify that your role includes the Cloud SQL client or Cloud SQL admin permissions. If you need to change permissions, click on the specific user or service account. Modify the role assignments accordingly. Next, check if your Cloud SQL instance is running. Access the SQL section in the Google Cloud Console. Locate your instance and ensure its status is running. If the instance is stopped, start it by clicking the Start button. Now, let's review your connection settings. Verify the IP address of the client you're using to connect. Ensure that it's listed in the authorized networks for your Cloud SQL instance. To add a new IP, select the instance and open the Connections tab. Add your current IP address under Authorized Networks and save changes. After updating network settings, try connecting again. If you still encounter issues, check for firewall rules that might block the connection. Go to the VPC network section and review relevant firewall rules. Ensure rules allow traffic on the port your database uses, typically port 3306 for MySQL. If your application is using an SSL certificate to connect, verify that the correct files are being used. Download and use the certificates from the Google Cloud Console as needed. Finally, if you're using a service account, make sure your credentials are set up correctly. Download a new key from the IAM section if necessary. Once you've followed these steps, attempt to log in again. You should now have a successful connection to your Google Cloud SQL instance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.